Hi natural hair lovers, it's wash day again for my daughter's hair, and I like to start things off right with a simple aloe vera pre-poo treatment. You will see me making this video. First, you want to get your aloe vera all cleaned up. You get rid of the aloe, which is the yellowish substance that is not so beneficial to our hair. Cut it open neatly and then scoop out the gel. Before shampoo touches my daughter's hair strands, I always prep with a pre-poo. Why? The reason is it protects her hair from dryness. It helps with detangling because a lot of us struggle with detangling our hair before we wash it. And when you have aloe vera with a good sleep, it helps to keep the moisture locked in even before you shampoo. I'm using fresh aloe vera gel because aloe vera has lots of benefits. Do not also forget that aloe vera is full of water, vitamins, and softening those stubborn knots you might have on your hair. So I apply it on my daughter's hair by working in sections. As always, do not forget to subscribe to Ivy's Naturals, like, comment, and share. Let me know if you've used aloe vera as a pre-poo treatment or even as a deep conditioner on your hair. Turn on your post notifications because we post videos here on this channel weekly. So before you apply this aloe vera gel on your hair, you ensure you hydrate first with water. Then you work in sections. Apply it from the roots to the tip because the tip are the weakest part of your hair and they are prone to breakage. You detangle gently using your finger as you apply. Cover after with a shower cap or a steamer cap for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This gives the hair time to soak up all the juicy moisture in your aloe vera before you shampoo your hair. And another thing is, when you pre-poo your hair this way before you shampoo, it helps to give a protective shield kind of to your hair that will make the shampoo not to strip your hair of its natural oil. Pre-pooing may seem like an extra step when you're prepping your hair before you wash it, but trust me, your hair will definitely love it because it means less breakage, more strength, and a softer, shiny strands. Continue watching this video so you see how well moisturized my daughter's hair looked afterwards.